Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to study monosaccharides. Monosaccharides is one of the types of carbohydrates. So, let's discuss and detail step by step. What are monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates which cannot be broken down into smaller carbohydrate units by hydrolysis. They are called simple sugars. General characteristics of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, usually follow the formula CH2O whole taken N. Examples: glucose, C6H12O6. Why are monosaccharides important? Monosaccharides are important because it is a primary source of energy, building units of disaccharides and polysaccharides, essential for cellular metabolism, important in biological reactions. Classification of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are classified based on first one, number of carbon atoms, second one, functional group present. Now on the first one, number of carbon atoms. Monosaccharides are classified into trioses, 3 carbon atoms. Examples: glyceraldehyde. Tetrose, 4 carbon atoms. Examples: erythrose. Pentose, 5 carbon atoms. Example: ribose, important for RNA and DNA. Hexose, 6 carbon atoms. Examples: glucose and fructose. And on the basis of second one, functional group present. Aldoses contain aldehyde group, mean CHO. Examples: glucose, galactose. And ketoses contain ketone group, C double bond O. Example: fructose. Structure of monosaccharides. Examples: glucose structure CHL band C, single band OH, single band H, band C, band H, band OH, band C, band OH, band H, band C, band OH, band H, band CH2 OH. Glucose has 6 carbon atoms, 1 aldehyde group, multiple hydroxyl groups, means OH. Physical properties of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are sweet taste, crystalline solids, soluble in water, colorless compounds, low molecular weight. Chemical properties of monosaccharides. First one, oxidation. Monosaccharides can be oxidized to form acids. Examples: conceptual example, glucose plus O GAF gluconic acid. Second one, reduction. Carbonyl group can be reduced to alcohols. Third one, fermentation. Glucose undergoes fermentation in presence of yeast. Reaction C6H12O6 GAF2CO2H2 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Fourth one, formation of glycosidic bonds. Monosaccharides combines to form disaccharides, polysaccharides. Biological importance of monosaccharides in humans. Immediate energy source. Brain uses glucose for energy. In plant, produced during photosynthesis reaction. 6CO2 plus 6H2O gap C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Source of monosaccharides. Sources of monosaccharides are fruits, honey, vegetables, sweet foods. Important exam points for monosaccharides: cannot be hydrolyzed further, building blocks of carbohydrates, classified by carbon numbers and functional group. Example: glucose, fructose. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on monosaccharides. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.